Are you getting errors while loading Crunchyroll videos? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet. If Crunchyroll is not loading videos, check your internet connection first. Click on the internet icon on your desktop and click on your internet connection. Check if you are connected securely. You can check the internet speed by going to speedtest.net and clicking on the Go button. If the internet speed is slow, contact your service provider. Method 2. Check the Crunchyroll servers. Sometimes due to server outages, Crunchyroll may not load videos. So check the Crunchyroll server status by visiting https://downdetector.in/status/crunchyroll/ or similar other websites. If there is a server outage, wait for some time till the server goes live again. Method 3. Restart your device. Restarting the device can clear temporary data and free up resources that can prevent Crunchyroll from working correctly. So restart your device and then open Crunchyroll again. See if it's working now. Method 4. Download the latest version of Crunchyroll. Ensure you're using the latest version of the app, or else it may have problems loading videos. Go to Microsoft Store, click on the Library tab, click on the Get Updates button. Wait till the updating process is completed. This will update all the apps including Crunchyroll. Once done, open Crunchyroll and check. Method 5. Clear web browser cache. Restart the browser to clear the browser cache and resolve Crunchyroll issues. You can also refresh the page using Ctrl+F5 hotkeys. Next, go to the Crunchyroll website and see if the video loads. Wait for a few seconds. If the video still doesn't load, clear the browser cache. Here, we are showing the steps using the Chrome browser. Open Google Chrome and click on the three-dot menu. Click on More Tools, then clear browsing data. Set the time range to all time. Check all the boxes and click on the Clear Data button. Once done, go to the Crunchyroll website and check if the issue is resolved. Solution 6. Reinstall Crunchyroll. Click on Windows Search and select Settings. Click on Apps, then on Installed Apps. Find Crunchyroll and click on the three-dot menu next to the app. Select Uninstall. Again, confirm your action. Click on the Uninstall button from the next prompt. Wait till the app is uninstalled from your PC. Before performing the next step, make sure you have closed the Windows Store app in case it runs. Go to Windows Search, enter wsreset.exe and press Enter. This will clear the Microsoft Store cache. When the Microsoft Store opens, search for Crunchyroll and download it again. Now, log in and check if it is working. You can also try to navigate as a guest before logging in to check. And there you have it. 6 quick solutions to resolve the Crunchyroll error unable to load video. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.